Okay, this is an attempt to try to show you how you do LiveText with the assignments that we have here in Blackboard. The first thing you need to realize is that all the assignments that we have in Blackboard are using the template that already exists in LiveText. There is nothing to do in Blackboard. There are no files to upload into LiveText. It's all based upon just copying and pasting in the various URLs of the various pages of our wiki that we have created. So let's look at that real fast. We have created a PBWorks. This is mine. And as you can see on this one, I put everything in here just so we can make sure that it all works. So we had a picture. There's our word cloud. Here's our Padlet. This is a Go Animate. This is the question. And this is another Padlet that we made just to make sure we had it working right. This is our answer garden. And that was it. So don't worry about it. I have two Padlets here. We did that because we were trying to make sure everybody understood. All right. And the choice was you could put a Padlet or you could put a answer garden. Either one was fine. So when I look at this, I'm going to go up here and I'm going to highlight and then right click and copy. Or I can go to my edit, come down the copy. Either way, I copy just this. Now, the next thing we want to do is we want to go to LiveText. Once you've logged into LiveText, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be looking for your courses. And mine's going to look different than yours. That's the problem. Then I'm going to find the course. And I'm going to look for assignments. Once again, yours is going to look different than mine. Yours will look like little boxes scattered all over the screen here. I'm going to find the module that is mine. And what I want to do is I want to use this document, but instead of clicking over here on upload, I'm going to click over here where it says use this template. Okay? When I select that template, it looks like this. Now the pencils are basically indicating that this is an area where I can click on and it becomes editable. Some are editable and some are not. It just depends upon what I've allowed you to play in. But this one right here that says edit is always available to you in the template. So I click on edit. And what happens now is I have a space where I can come in and add in the wiki space. So I basically click below the text that I've written up here. I'm going to go ahead and turn off I don't need it to have a dot at the beginning of it, but if it won't turn off, don't worry about it. There it went. So I'm going to now paste in that URL. And that is all there is to it. Now, what I want you to realize is that natively, by default, LiveText doesn't understand web addresses. So don't freak out if this doesn't do anything. And I'll show you what I mean. So I'm going to do a save and finish. That basically now will save it to the area for me to grade. And as you can see, I can click all over it, and it doesn't work. No harm, no foul. All I do is I come in when I'm grading it, and I right-click on it, and I tell it to look up. And what it will do is it will go in, and it will bring up the web page that this indicates. The other way I can do it is if that, for whatever reason, that doesn't work, then I can come in here and I can copy. I can give myself a new tab, paste it in, hit the return, and what it will do, well, I obviously didn't copy everything correctly, but it'll find it. And I don't worry about it because I can go back and I can have LiveText find it for me. So that's all there is to it. It's just basically you're copying the address from here, and then from LiveText you're going to go in and use the template, hit the edit button, so everything then becomes editable, and you paste it in. Save and finish. Now I'm going to get rid of this, otherwise it'll show up. So I'm going to get rid of that because this is the template. Save and finish. Now I'll show you an example of one that someone has done, so you can see what hers looks like. And I've checked with her and she's okay with someone seeing it. So let's go into, by the way, this is what I see. You'll never see this. This is what I see. I am looking for some ones that we can look at that I know it would be okay with them. So I'm going to go to assignments. Here we go. All right, let's go into here. And again, this is not what yours looks like. And I'm going to go ahead and click on hers. And as you can see, what she's done is she put in the link to her blend space that we did. And I'm going to have to send that back to her. Let's see what she did here. Maybe she put it in here. There you go. So she put it here. And that's fine. Not a problem. I think what she was doing is probably what you're trying to do, which is to upload a document. You don't have to upload documents. Just use the template. And here it is again. She did it again right here. Okay, and as you can see, it doesn't know what to do with it. Again, it's no big deal. I just highlight it and I save it or copy it and open it into the Google, and it comes up just fine. All right, so there it is. That's the explanation of how to do LiveText. Sorry I could not log in as a student. I don't want to know what a student's login is. Hopefully on Monday we could have a student in the class demonstrate this so that by Thursday I'll have a video that demonstrates a student doing the upload.